Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Colombia together. This is Anserma Coop Siracusa. The region is Caldas and the variety Castillo. The process is an anaerobic natural. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop. To brew Anserma Coop Siracusa lot, we recommend this recipe. You need 300 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Prepare 22 grams of beans and grind them on click 28 of your Comandante. This supports the sweetness of this coffee. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. Now add the ground coffee and shake for an even extraction. We're doing 2 pours. Pour 1. 50 grams over 7 seconds circular pouring to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roasting process. Pour 2, starting at 40 seconds, 250 grams over 30 seconds, soft circular pouring, extracting the sweetness and the fruity flavors. Swirl the brew at 125, leading to a balanced cup profile with this body. The total brew time is 2 minutes. A balanced and complex cup with flavors of cherry, papaya, prune, molasses and dark chocolate wait in your cup.